West Bengal now, where BJP State Unit President Sukanta Majumdar said he has urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to incorporate northern parts of the state into the northeast region since the two have many similarities. Now, this triggered a strong reaction from the ruling TMC in the state, which called the BJP secessionist, accusing it of trying to divide West Bengal for its political benefit. In the recent past, BJP leaders and MPs have raised the demand of a separate state of North Bengal to be carved out from West Bengal. Also, the BJP is a dominant political force in North Bengal as it won 5 of the 7 Lok Sabha seats in the north in the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections. In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, the BJP managed to win 6 of the 7 constituencies in North Bengal. Take a listen to what Sukanta Majumdar said, and post which we will also give you the reaction of my colleague Sumant, who gets us the latest on this controversy.
आज माननीय प्रधानमंत्रीর সাথে আমি দেখা করেছি এবং দেখা করে মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রীর হাতে একটি প্রস্তাব তুলে দিয়ে এসেছি আপাতত যে একটি প্রেজেন্টেশন তুলে দিয়ে এসেছি যাতে নর্থ ইস্টের সাথে উত্তরবঙ্গের সিমিলারিটি কী কী আছে এবং তার ফলে উত্তরবঙ্গকে নর্থ ইস্টের অন্তর্ভুক্ত করা যেতে পারে এই ধরনের প্রপোজাল আমি মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রীকে দিয়েছি। এবার মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী তার বিচার করবেন এবং আগামী দিনে যদি নর্থ ইস্টের সাথে উত্তরবঙ্গ যুক্ত হয়, উত্তরবঙ্গ পশ্চিমবঙ্গের অংশ হিসেবে নর্থ ইস্টের সাথে যদি যায়, তাহলে পরে স্বাভাবিকভাবেই উত্তরবঙ্গে কেন্দ্রীয় যে প্রকল্পগুলো আছে সেই প্রকল্পের টাকা অনেক বেশি পরিমাণে পাওয়া যাবে এবং তার সাথে সাথে এই এলাকা অনুন্নত এবং এই এলাকার উন্নয়ন হবে এবং আমার মনে হয় রাজ্য সরকারেরও এতে বাধা থাকবে না বা রাজ্য সরকারের সহযোগিতা আমরা পাবো।
আজ কেন্দ্রের একজন প্রতিমন্ত্রী সুকান্ত মজুমদার তিনি নাকি প্রধানমন্ত্রীর সঙ্গে দেখা করে উত্তর বাংলার যে 9টি জেলা আছে 8টি জেলা আছে সেই 8টি জেলাকে উত্তর পূর্ব ভারতের সঙ্গে যুক্ত করার প্রস্তাব দিয়েছেন। তিনি মন্ত্রী হিসেবে যে শপথ নিয়েছিলেন যে তিনি সংবিধান মেনে চলবেন, এই দাবি সংবিধানের পরিপন্থী, কারণ উত্তরবঙ্গ বলে আলাদা কোনো ভূখণ্ড ভারতবর্ষে নেই। যে 8টি জেলাকে বলা হচ্ছে উত্তরবঙ্গ সেটা আসলে পশ্চিমবঙ্গের অবিচ্ছেদ্য অঙ্গ।
Sukanta Majumdar, the BJP president of West Bengal and the MOS of Northeastern Development Ministry. So he stated that he had asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi to incorporate the North Bengal into Northeastern Development Ministry. Now the point is, it has started a big debate. Why I'm saying that? Because the Trinamool Congress, which is in power of West Bengal, they have consistently opposed the decision, opposed the request to divide West Bengal. And BJP was holding the single point agenda that North Bengal is deprived, including they have the tea gardens, they have the natural resource. Still, West Bengal government doesn't give that much importance to North Bengal. Now, Sukanta Majumdar, being the BJP state president and the MOS of 2 ministries, has urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to incorporate North Bengal into Northeastern Development Ministry. Now, let me tell you, in fact, last year only, in West Bengal Assembly, the Trinamool Congress government and the Trinamool Congress party has passed an resolution that there will be opposed to any move that will be made by BJP to bifurcate the Bengal. Now, the North Bengal and the South Bengal, BJP always try to manipulate the agenda that Trinamool Congress is a South Bengal oriented party and BJP, more or less, they are working for the North Bengal. Now, many of BJP leaders are there who had openly asked for the separate North Bengal. They demanded for the different states. Now, this was hesitation for BJP moreover many times, and also BJP manipulated the agenda and BJP got the vote bank from North Bengal. As you can see, that lot of MPs are from North Bengal, BJP MPs. Now, Trinamool Congress have started to view this scenario in a political scene, and they are trying to convey the fact that BJP is again trying to bifurcate the Bengal. The BJP is trying to do the partition, and in this scenario, Sukhendu Shekhar Rai, Trinamool MP, Trinamool spokesperson Riju Dotto, and many other leaders, including Kolkata Mayor Firod Hakim, They are saying that this is the agenda of BJP, and they are trying to do the same thing which they tried to do in Vidhan Sabha election, in the Lok Sabha election, and people have rejected them because Trinamool Congress won the election. So this is the scenario right here in Bengal, and other BJP leaders have not stated a single point. They are just saying that North Bengal is deprived. We need the development of North Bengal. Sukanta Majumdar's proposal was made by him only. It is his personal proposal. It is his personal opinion. But this is the fact that North Bengal people, they want more development in their region, because North Bengal consisting Himalayans, North Bengal consisting tea gardens, North Bengal consisting lot of rivers, lot of schemes are there. But the development of North Bengal is not happening according to South Bengal. So BJP is making it agenda, and the move from Sukanta Majumdar is a political move, and a move to manipulate again the North Bengal people, that I am doing for you, BJP is doing for it.
The Bangladesh government, in protest to the High Commission of India against Mamata Banerjee's remarks on providing shelter to the helpless people from the neighbouring state, has called her comments provocative. The High Commission was told that West Bengal Chief Minister's statement on the internal affairs of Bangladesh contained inaccuracies, and that the authorities in capital Dhaka and elsewhere were trying to restore normalcy. The development has come in after Bangladesh Foreign Minister Dr. Mohammad Hassan Mahmood and a senior member of the ruling Awami League party said that the words of Banerjee could create confusion and mislead people amid an already tense situation. The West Bengal Chief Minister, while addressing TMC's annual rally on the 21st of July, Martyrs' Day in Kolkata, cited a UN resolution to justify her offer to Bangladeshi refugees. She declared that her state will provide shelter to helpless people who come knocking on their doors.